Hello friends, welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be setting up our spreads for the first week of October. Got the sticker sheets ready to go as well as some washi tape and these sticker books which I pulled from. Okay, so this is the first week of the October Planable Challenge and this week's theme is That's the Spirit. So if you want to participate, go ahead and post your spreads onto Instagram and use the hashtag PlanableOctober2020. We'd love to see what you guys come up with for this theme. Okay, so I'm just going to get ready here and put down some wax paper so that I can play around with these stickers I've pulled. I decided to go with a free spirit style of theme for the That's the Spirit theme. I'm not really into, like, I don't know, ghostly haunted themes, and I'm really not in any schools where I could show some like school spirit. So this is the only thing I could really think of that would sort of work. Pulled that big free spirit feather sticker that you see there on the right hand side, and that kind of just was the jumping off point for everything else that I pulled. Kind of stuck with the purple tones for the overall spread with pops of copper. So the metallic you're seeing all over the spread is a copper color. Kind of hard to see sometimes at certain angles what the color is, but it's pretty like orangey copper throughout. So it's nice. It's got a nice balance of kind of like orangey with the purple. I like the color combination a lot. So I'm laying those in. I grabbed a few quotes from, I think, the Free Spirit Pastel sticker book and also the bigger quote from the Dream Seeker sticker book, and I'm laying those in. I also grabbed a nice long box there, Dream Seeker as well, and a few other boxes for focus stickers from my Wellness sticker box or sticker book and the Free Spirit sticker book. This theme, the Free Spirit theme, is a little bit, I don't know, not my thing. I'm not much of a free spirit. I'm pretty type A when it comes to things, so it's like the opposite of being a free spirit. But I really did like the colors and things, so we're just going to go with it, and it gave me a good excuse for me to use these stickers. I am looking forward to this purple toned theme. It's kind of mellow color scheme, almost muted. The copper still gives me those fall feels, but it's just more of, you know, it's not like traditional fall colors, is what I'm trying to say. So I'm looking forward to that. I also pulled quite a few stickers, anything that I could find that would work with the color scheme, and then I'm not going to use them all. I think it would be a little bit too much with all of the stickers, but I did pull in the ones that I thought could work, and I'm laying those guys in. I also grabbed some stars from, I think this was also from the Dream Seeker sticker book, just to add a little bit of extra texture here. Not real sure how I'm going to lay them in exactly, but kind of going for the quote across the bottom, but not at the very, very bottom, so that I will still have enough room for putting in tasks and things and keeping the spread functional both on Wednesday and Thursday, as well as on Sunday. Try and find a way to bring in a little bit more of these copper florals. So just playing around with what I have, and I went into the Free Spirit Pastel sticker book so that I can see what I have in my stash and then pull them in if I can. I really do like how this ends up turning out. I will say though that of late, I feel like my creativity has taken a little bit of a back seat, mainly because I've been focusing a lot on getting my layouts done for my Etsy shop. So sometimes when when I've got a lot going on and I have things to do and I don't have the time to sit and think and be creative and come up with new ideas, my spreads don't feel as fun or as creative as I'd like, but still I do have a routine, and so I can always fall back on that and kind of at least make it nice to look at for the week and just proceed that way, even though it might not be, groundbreaking as far as the creativity goes. So I've started moving things over to the wax paper, and I realized that I do need to white out this big black line behind the quote. That way you can see the stars and it doesn't encroach too much upon the lettering, so it's also very readable. I just used my white Jelly Roll pen. Might have been a little bit better with with my dry liner that I have. That would have made a nice solid line, but I kind of like the ghosting of the line coming through just a smidge, because it still gives you the hint that there is a separation between the days. So I'm gonna stick with that. I also am gonna cut this circle sticker so it looks like it's coming in from the side, give a little interest there. And I'm going to white out where I think these flowers might overlap and touch the line. One thing I don't like about these flowers is the way that they cross at the very bottom. So I am trying to do it so that I can trim that part off and you won't be able to see that little extra. So it looks like it's just coming out of the bottom. Now I'm laying in the dream sticker on top. Again, trying to add in some more of that copper color all around the spread. And I'm whiting out the opposite page all the way through the line there that separates Sunday from the weekly area. Because this one doesn't have anything bold behind the lettering, I wanted to make sure that it was clean enough for you to read the at heart without any interruption. Also laid in that box sticker up in the corner. And now I'm laying in that quote. And since I trimmed out some florals, I'm going to try to reuse them here on the edge, and then bring in some more here to try to fit those in. Thought I might reuse this piece that I trimmed off, but even after I kind of made it work for me and trimmed off all the excess, I ended up not liking it. So just moving some things over, trimming up those circle stickers, again to make them look a little bit more interesting. Laying in all those pieces that I had on the wax paper, just transferring them over and making the adjustments that I want to make as I go. And here you can see I took off that sticker as it didn't really work. And now I think I'm going to add in my checklists. But first I need to figure out a pen that will match this color scheme pretty well. I think the best one that I have is this highlighter, this friction highlighter. I'm also going to add in this washi tape that has like the copper colors in it and is also purple, so I think that'll be a really good match here. And I was going to try to white out the line behind the box so you wouldn't see it so much, but I had already laid down the sticker and it wasn't coming up, so I ended up just whiting on top of the sticker, and that actually worked. So good to know for the future if I need to get rid of some darkening or some see-through ghosting. And now just laying in that washi all across. And I would have liked to have a little bit here around the stars, but I don't think it was going to work. So just do something a little different and go ahead and put the washi on the bottom, kind of make two big bold boxes at the bottom and call it good. So now I'm going to lay in my checklists, and once I am done with that, you guys, we will be done. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch, and think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye!